What's going on, guys? Matt Wacek here. Welcome back to the channel. And today is finally the day that so many of you have been asking about for several weeks now. So ever since I mentioned that we are using a mass page builder or a couple mass page building softwares to build out sites, I wanted to, of course, test things out and vet them, go through and make sure that the software is good and people can get results with it. So today is the day of announcing that first software, which is a software called City Page Pro. So in this video, we're going to break down what the software is and how easy it is to actually build out a site that has hundreds or thousands of pages, and also share with you some of the results that we've been seeing with these particular sites built with this software. And I'll also share with you guys a case study that we're starting here on the channel with a site that I'm going to basically be documenting the process of building out the site, getting it indexed, building links, and seeing what kind of results that we get with a brand new domain. And also we may start doing some expired domain stuff in the future. And if you don't know what an expired domain is, don't worry. We'll have plenty of content on that coming soon. So we're over here at the sales page for City Page Pro. And before we get into the super in-depth specifics, pricing, and all that sort of stuff, I want to explain to you exactly what this software does. So that way, if you do decide to take up the offer and purchase the software, you understand exactly what it is that you're getting. So this software allows you to build out a directory similar to a lot of the websites that you see with a massive amount of organic search presence. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, Thumbtack, the list just goes on and on and on. You just go to any local search for whatever service you have an interest in, you're going to see a directory in there. So this software allows you to do the same with your own websites. So let's say we have a site that is all about drain cleaning, and that's what the example case study site is going to be all about. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to go down below, smash that subscribe so you know when all that content comes out. But let's say we have a site all about drain cleaning or whatever niche or whatever service you have an interest in. If you're getting started with this, I'd recommend targeting one single service with your domain. But what you do is you'll get your domain, you get hosting, you install WordPress, you install this plugin onto your site, and then you basically just follow the simple instructions laid out for how to build out the site utilizing this plugin. It's really as simple as just typing into Microsoft Word. There is no front-end software that you have to learn or anything like that. It's all extremely basic. And so the beauty of this is you can build out one page, and that page is able to be replicated hundreds and thousands of times, but it is still 100% unique because this software, what it will do is you have your home page and you select the states that you want to target. So we have our state pages here. And so you have the list of every single state in the entire United States all listed right there. So everything from Alabama all the way to Wyoming, and you can actually add that list to the home page. And so then from there, on each one of those state pages, you're gonna have a list of all of the cities included in that state. And so then if you were to visit that city plus service page, it's going to be all about, in this instance, drain cleaning in that city. So once you publish a city plus service page, what's going to happen is you're going to be building out a page that has a very similar layout to like this Yelp page here. And it includes information about local businesses, so their name, their address, that sort of stuff. And the unique thing with City Page Pro is that if we zoom in here on the sales page, this is just a screenshot from one of the example sites, is that this top listing here, you can customize to be tailor-fit to your affiliate programs. You can include a bunch of content in there. You put your phone number in there that will get routed to the affiliate network that you're working with, and then you're able to monetize some of that traffic. And you can create a whole bunch of content in this particular top listing if you so choose. And it's really simple to do so, and you only have to do it once, and then it builds it out for all of the pages. And so bottom line, what this software allows you to do is leverage your time immensely, absolutely immensely. You're talking a time investment of 30 minutes at most, and that's if you're someone who's brand new to building out a website, getting a domain, that sort of stuff. And then you're able to build out this site, which can then build thousands of pages with the effort that it only takes to build one. So huge amount of leverage. So at the moment, what we're doing for the current pricing of this particular software is a free trial for anyone that wants to sign up, 100% free for 7 days. Then after that 7 days is up, it is $30 a month for a 5-site license, $75 a month for a 25-site license, and $125 a month for the 100 site license. And what that gives you is also guided site build training, as well as lifetime updates to the software. And one other thing that we're doing for those of you in my community who are watching this video right now is a VIP support group led by myself and Matthew Zivkovic, who's the creator of the software. He also owns the LeadSmart affiliate network. So if you have technical questions or you're trying to figure out what type of content to put on your particular site, or really any type of question related to utilizing the software and getting results with it, we're there for you in the group to help you maximize the potential of getting results with the software. So like I mentioned, there's a link right down below this video where you can get access to the software and get started building out new sites. So what stood out to me the most about this particular software was how fast, and when I say fast, I'm not talking tomorrow, but I'm talking over the course of multiple weeks and relatively short durations in terms of SEO, but how little amount of time it takes to really start getting some results. So I built out a site at the end of the month, last month, which is at the end of August, I think it was the 25th. 12 days after that, we generated the first lead, which is a plumbing lead. And then within 3 weeks, over 1,200 pages were indexed. So that doesn't really occur very much with even other mass page building softwares. It's a little bit slower of a process. But with these particular sites, being as they are all 100% unique, Google and Bing seem to really like them. Some of the other results that we've been seeing with others using the software have been absolutely just awesome. So this particular person had generated 81 leads across 3 months worth of time, and 10 of them came in just on the 18th alone. So it takes a little bit of time. You're talking 30 to 60 days, and then it starts really ramping up from there. And then another person generated 11 new leads with a 3-week-old expired domain. But you can see some of the traffic stats coming through, like for these particular 3 sites, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of visits. And also for this particular search keyword for a cash offer for a house in Vernon Hills, Illinois, you can see that they absolutely dominate for the first 4 results on the first page of the search result. So those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that I go through a pretty strict vetting process when it comes to vendors and services and products and softwares that I use and promote to people in my community. And if it's garbage, I'm not going to even tell you about it. Actually, I'll tell you about it and I'll say, don't go use it. For example, a developer from the Envato market I bought a WordPress theme from, and it was complete garbage. It made me so mad. I made a video saying, do not go buy that software. And then I found Thrive Architect and discovered how much easier it was. And of course, I recommend that software because it's a good software and I've gotten great results with it. So I will put a link right down below in the description where you guys can check out this software, learn a little bit more about it, and see if it's something that you want to put to use in your business. And again, it's a 100% free trial for the first 7 days. And you get access to the software. You get access to the training for how to utilize the software, how to build out sites. You get lifetime updates as we continue to update the software with new features and new add-ons. And lastly, you get access to the VIP support group led by the creator and owner of LeadSmart, Matthew Zivkovic, and myself. So with all of that said, this is the announcement video for City Page Pro. I'm really excited to be bringing this to you guys here in my community. Be sure to go down below, smash that subscribe button, and also hit the bell for notifications so you know when that case study video comes out and all the other content that we release here on the channel. We're going to be launching that case study, and that video is going to be coming out very, very soon, probably tomorrow sometime. We'll have to see. And we're going to share a ton of stuff with you guys here on the channel, as well as in the VIP support group with that particular site. So be sure to be subscribed. And if you got this far in the video, I appreciate if you went down below, dropped a like on this video. And be sure to go down below, check out this offer for City Page Pro, and I will see you guys around.